Hi everybody, I am Melissa, and on today's episode of Foodie Friday, I am actually going to be cleaning up my fridge. I thought it's about that time to maybe take everything out, wipe it down, reorganize, purge, get rid of some stuff, and put everything back in. And it's actually Thursday, the day before this video goes up, and it's the end of the day. It is 8:23 p.m. The boys just finally went down and went to bed, and I'm exhausted. I kind of sort of need to take my medicine for my neck and my back, although I'm starting to feel fine, so I might not take it tonight. But anyway, with that being said, I don't want this video to be super duper long, so I am going to kind of fast forward through the part of me taking everything out and wiping it down, and maybe talk through me putting it back in, what I'm keeping, what I got rid of, maybe give you some tips along the way, and all that good stuff. So let's just get started. Can you see? Okay, so there is a mess. Let's just get started. Okay, cut. Okay, so now that I zoomed through and took everything out and cleaned it very well, I used this all-purpose cleaner by Better Life. Cuts through grease and grime, unscented. It's safer than regular cleaners. It's supposed to be 100% plant-derived and non-toxic. There's no alcohol, ethers or ethers, petroleum, solvents, synthetic fragrances, parabens, all kinds of things. So there's no harsh chemical residue. Now the only thing is I was really low on this, so I added water, so obviously it was very diluted, and it really didn't cut through some of like the little spots that I had in there. And I'm actually going to go ahead and spray it down one more time and then start putting everything back in. So look at that, it's like so nice and clean and empty. But I'm just gonna do one more just quick spray down. I need to order more of this. Now usually I would use, hold on. Usually I would use towels. I have a bunch of kitchen towels that I bought from Kmart that are not expensive to clean it inside and out, but I'm a little behind on laundry, so I'm just using paper towels today. let's go ahead and start putting stuff back in. I have to put in the milk for the boys, USDA organic whole milk. I'm not sure if the egg whites are going to end up staying there, but going to keep the egg whites. Something that actually really drives me crazy is the amount of condiments that my husband likes to buy. So what we do is I usually put all the fruits and veggies and greens here so you can see them at, you know, like eye level instead of in the drawers. And what we put in the drawers are usually the condiments and sauces and salad dressings, stuff like that. But we have way too many and it drives me crazy. And every time I do this, I throw away a bunch of them. But he always ends up buying a bunch again and it drives me crazy. Alright, so putting the butter back in. I buy Kerrygold butter because it's imported. It's crying, my refrigerator's crying. It's imported, it's grass-fed, it's a good quality butter. My husband likes to buy Country Crock, which is margarine and super bad for you, but it is what it is. Here we have some cold brew coffee and creamer. I don't drink too much coffee. Not that I never drink coffee, but I don't drink a lot of coffee. So that's pretty much his. What I have a lot of is these juices that I bought and I did a video of last week. I need to finish them. I have quite a few left. Whipped cream for the coffee. I never actually used to add whipped cream when I would make café con leche, which is espresso with milk and sugar. But my husband kind of introduced that idea to me of like actually buying whipped cream, having it at home and like adding it to the coffee, and it's so good, but so bad. This is the chocolate syrup that I buy for the boys. It's Hershey's and it's Simply 5 syrup. So it doesn't have any high fructose corn syrup. It's non-GMO verified and it's just 5 ingredients. So it doesn't have as much synthetic stuff in it. Put that there. Mayonnaise. You can imagine who that's for. More of my juices, which I need to finish tomorrow. We have 2 mustards. Don't know why. Keeping one, tossing the other. Olive Garden salad dressing from Costco. Super yummy. Not healthy, but yummy. If you're looking for a healthy, clean salad dressing, try Primal Kitchen. This is the avocado oil one. It's vegan ranch. Don't mind don't mind the refrigerator crying. I can't do much and I can't really talk too loudly because the kids are asleep. And then I have this organic maple syrup. It's grade A. It tastes so good. It takes getting used to if you're used to like the Aunt Jemima stuff. It's not as super sweet, but it tastes really good. And my boys actually eat it. Like, they like it. We eat a lot of tacos in this house, so this is a must-have. Organic ketchup. See, why do we have 2? Why do we have 2 Parmesan cheeses? Huge ones. We have a lot of hot sauce. Like I said, we do tacos or burritos or quesadillas every week. So Frank's Red Hot is my favorite buffalo sort of hot sauce. Or I should say cayenne. I guess it's cayenne. And then you gotta have Taco Bell hot sauces on deck because it makes your food taste like you're eating Taco Bell, but you're not. You're having home cooked with a little hint of Taco Bell. Soy sauce, sesame oil, A1 sauce, Worcestershire sauce. Lots of sauces. So many sauces. The husband likes to make fried rice, so he has this minced ginger, oyster sauce, sweet and sour sauce. He loves sauces. Lots of tortillas. You already know for what. More cheese. This is shredded Parmesan cheese. Delicious. I just had an idea. I'm going to sort through all the stuff I'm going to keep and then put it in quickly because this is taking too long and wasting time and memory. So, I'm back. Greens. Let's put it at eye level up here. Greens. Does this fit this way? Yes. Look at this huge sweet baby rice. Huge. Huge. Why? I hate it. I keep the fruits in this tray, so when I'm preparing the kids' breakfast, lunch, dinner, whatever, I just yank this out and cut up a little bit of everything that's in here. Right now it's just grapes. But I also have strawberries. I have some more like detox juices that I purchased a few weeks ago that I need to try tomorrow. So I'll put that up here with all the fruits. I kind of want to throw this away, but it's leftover birthday cake for my husband, and today's his birthday, so I think I'll let him have a little midnight snack when he gets home from work. He'll probably dive into this, but probably toss it tomorrow. I have this other thing. When I was getting HelloFresh or Green Chef, I would put like all the little packets of condiments and sauces and stuff in here. I also have tomato paste. So I'm just gonna leave a bunch of cheese snacks for the kids. Usually put your snacks in there as well as juice. Okay, so this is another very random container thing that has like some seasonings from the different boxes. I also forgot I had this amazing, what's it called? Probiotic. So I need to start taking that again. Some mayo, garlic, jam, kind of random. So we're just gonna leave that next to this one. Move the cake over, I guess. For now. This is leftover pumpkin. I need this for when I make the kids their breakfast muffins. I've been making them pumpkin and applesauce and oatmeal breakfast muffins, and they like it. They only eat half of this with like some fruit and cheese or eggs, so I like keeping it in this thing. I like how it clips down too. Now before I had the Lazy Susan with like jams and jellies, because you know, peanut butter jelly sandwich. I had it back there. It's kind of not a good place for it, so I'm gonna experiment. Maybe place it here. Put the tortillas maybe there. Here's the ham I buy. It's the nitrite-free stuff. No nitrates or nitrites. This is where my Cuban side starts to show. So this is ají cachucha. My grandfather gave me this, and it's a special pepper. It's not spicy, but it has like its own distinct flavor, and you use this when you make Cuban style black beans, and it's delicious. So I have a bunch of sort of pickled ají cachucha. I love this tomato sauce because it unscrews and you can screw it back closed. So like when I make chili or pasta or pizza or any dish that requires just plain tomato sauce, not marinara, I usually buy this. It's not canned, it's paper, and it's resealable, which is nice. And then this is pizza sauce. Okay, so this is very random, but I sometimes suffer with not being able to go ever since I had kids. So the only thing that has ever worked for me is magnesium citrate. This saved my life. This saves my life because it's helped with that, as well as not getting fissures anymore. Yeah, so this is awesome. I don't need it all the time. I actually need to buy a few more. It happens every once in a while, so I'm gonna put it in the back. Okay, last two things and we're done. And I have actually a bunch of stuff I'm throwing away. I don't think I'm gonna show that because I don't want people getting mad at me. But this is guava paste. A lot of people like to have this with like cheese. My husband is the one who enjoys this. And then I have leftover meatloaf and filet mignon from this week. So my husband can pack this up and take it to work for tomorrow. I'm just gonna pop it in the fridge and we're done. Okay, so that is my refrigerator, completely cleaned out, consolidated, organized, and it feels so nice. I'm not gonna do the freezer today because I really want to edit this video quickly so that it can go up tomorrow on time. And yeah, so maybe I'll put you in a little closer so you can get an idea of what it looks like. Maybe get some ideas for your own fridge, maybe some inspiration to clean out yours. If so, if you do, leave me a thumbs up, let me know in the comments if you have any tips on maybe different ways to organize it, let me know. Alright, let's get close. Hold on. Okay, so just gonna do a quick clip so you can kind of see where everything went. I put a bunch of like the Asian sauces up here along with some A1. Then this little mustard is here along with the Taco Bell hot sauces. This is the salad dressing, some cayenne hot sauce, the maple syrup is there. Then we got the grapes here, strawberries, applesauce, got some more fruits back there, some organic sort of detoxing juices, pumpkin. I got the ghee back there, which is a healthy fat for cooking, like less refined, less processed than regular butter. Super greens from Costco, spinach also. This is the leftover meatloaf and filet mignon. There's the tortilla and that like miscellaneous thing that I have back there with some mayo and stuff. The leftover cake. Eggs are down here. I love this idea, the Lazy Susan, with like jams and jellies and sauces that you may use more often to cook. My big ol' Sweet Baby Ray's. Some more tomato sauce back there. Egg whites, vegetable broth. I think I have the Parmesan cheese back there. I might move that actually because out of sight, out of mind. So I'm gonna put that actually maybe here. There you go. Vegetable broth. Now let's open up these drawers. Usually people put, what's it called? Their greens or fruits here, but I don't. So sour cream, there you can see what's there. I don't want to bore you and go through all of it in too much detail. This is where I usually put some snacks for the kids, usually cheese. I try not to give them yogurt. This came in their Happy Meal the other day because it has a lot of sugar. And I don't give them juice all that often. Then this is the sandwich drawer. This is like the cleanest it's been in a while. So lots of ham because we make sandwiches all the time. It's a nice inexpensive lunch. Cheeses. All the cheeses are basically on this side because we love cheese. And that brings us here. Kerrygold butter. Margarine. Don't buy that. Super bad for you. Whole milk for the boys. Here are my suja juices. I'll link the video somewhere here so if you want to see it. And the coffee stuff. And that's it. That is the refrigerator. All nice and beautifully cleaned out. So that's it. That completes this video. Thank you so very much for watching. I am going to go ahead and edit this and upload it for tomorrow morning. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and come back on Monday for Mommy Monday. I will be sharing how I lost basically, I think it's like 70 pounds. I lost all the baby weight, 70 pounds. It's been a journey. It's been a bumpy road with ups and downs, but I think I have some pretty cool insights to share, reference that. So if you're interested, come back on Monday for that. Wednesday is Pink Wednesday. I'm going to do, I think it was a shop with me. I forgot that I had the footage when my computer crashed. I forgot about that footage, but actually still have it. So that will be Wednesdays, and then next week, Friday, will be another Foodie Friday. It'll be a surprise. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you made it all the way to the very end, leave me a comment below and let me know. Maybe you can say, I love motorcycles. I don't know. I just saw this, and that's why I said that. My son's toy. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'm rambling. Forgive me. Have a good day, and I'll see you on Monday. Until next time, goodbye.